Hello everyone, this is Bkumar from EducareBskyBkumar. In this video, I am going to talk about the similar English verbs look, see and watch. A lot of students ask me the difference between or among these words. So I am sure this video will clear up the confusion. Let's get. The first one is the look. Let's start with look. It is used as a regular verb. Look, looked. We use look when you direct our eyes at something and pay attention to it. Let's look at some example. Okay, look at this old photograph. First example is look at this first example is look at this old photographs. In this sentence, I am trying to direct someone's eyes to the picture. I want them to pay attention to the photos. And the second sentence, it says, look, it's raining outside. And again, I am directing someone to move their eyes to look at the rain outside. I want them to pay attention to the rain with their eyes. Then the second verb see. Now I will talk about see. It's an irregular verb. See, saw, seen. The past tense of the verb see is you should use see when you or become aware of something with your eyes and you were not looking for it but not only see it. Let's look at some examples. The first sentence says, I saw an aeroplane in the sky. I did not know there was an aeroplane, but the image came into my eyes and I noticed it. So I use saw. The second sentence says, she saw a monkey on the street. Here, use the past tense form saw. Again, so there was a monkey in the street. But she suddenly noticed it with her eyes. So the third verb is was. It is a regular verb and the three forms are was, what and watched. Watch means we look at something long time and we pay to it. Right now you are watching my video like that. Let's look at some examples. The first sentence says, I love to watch my dog play. This is something I like to pay attention to with my eyes for a long time. So I use watch. And the next sentence says, I watched the cricket match last night. Again, this is something I use my eyes to pay attention to for a long time. And it is simple that we can use watch or see when you talk about movies, TV shows and concerts. We can say, I watched a movie last night. You can also say, I saw a movie last night. So the rules are not so strict in spoken English about watching or seeing or TV show. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.